Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm recording the day in the life of an artist. I'm up now. It's about around 8 o'clock ish. I'm up and dressed. I want to go for a jog. I had intended to go earlier, but I didn't sleep brilliantly, so I just stayed in a little bit longer in bed. But today I'm going for a jog, and then I've got some art things to do, so I'm going to take you guys with me. So really the goal for today is to you know that I've said on this channel that I'm doing a workshop, so I have to do some prep for that, so I'll do that. And I also have been designing a calendar for 2024, so I have to do some work for that. But first we're going to go for a jog, do a little bit of yoga and get into the day. Alright guys, you can come along with me for this jog. I'm just in from my jog now, so it was nice. It was lovely to get out. It always is nice to get out for a little bit of, a bit of a jog or slash walk, I would say, in the morning, and revive and refresh. So I'm going to get a shower now, have some breakfast, and I will take you into the studio to so we can work away together on the jobs for the day. Which is okay guys, I'm going to go for a shower and get some brekkie. Hi guys, I had my shower, made some breakfast, I did a few house jobs downstairs, and I'm just going to have my brekkie now. So today I've got some avocado on toast with some tomato and mayonnaise, so I'm going to eat that now, and then I'm going to start taking pictures of these. So here I've written out, last night I wrote out all the dates for 2024, so they're all written out there. And then I have my large painting in my little set of drawers under my table, so that's all there as well. So I'm going to take a picture of both of those today, so that one is done nice and early, and then I'm going to get into some art practice after that, and I will edit them later because I'd rather, while it's nice and bright and early and my energy is up, to do the art practice now. But for now I'm going to eat some brekkie. So it's around lunchtime now, so I'm just going to show you this in the middle of the day. So more preparation is being done for the workshop on the 25th of March. So please email me if you would like to book a spot. And hey guys, thank you for watching up to now. I hope you're enjoying the video. I hope it's that you're getting something out of it. It is my day in the life when I'm at home working on my art. The other days of the week I still go to a full-time job, either 4 days or 5 days, and I do this as well. So this is a really important part of my life, having that art and building it into a small business, which is my goal. But I'm really happy that I can share with you on this YouTube channel and share my journey. I hope you've enjoyed the day. I know I've enjoyed making the video, and I hope that you get something from it and it inspires you to be creative, or just to take some time for what's really important to you. And once again, I'm going to remind you of this, of the 25th of March 2023, the one-day restorative retreat here in Dublin. If you want to email me, I will leave my email in the description for more information. Feel free to do that. But that's all for today. The rest of the day I'm going to have another practice session for the workshop, and I'm going to be doing some editing and admin stuff. So not really very interesting viewing from here. So I think that's enough for now. Thanks again and have a really fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye.